Hello again, it's Noob, and I have what looks like a green tech padlock. I think so. That's what the Q normally means when it's a Euro cylinder. I could be wrong. The Q looks a bit different to normal, but it does have a sort of Yale style keyway and a very poor bitting. So poor, I think we can have a bit of fun with this. So first off, let's grab the boner, which is supposed to be like a more dynamic sort of city rake, and we'll just go and give this a bit of a rake like that. So raked. I wonder if we could somehow zip this. So very light tension. There we go. Zipped. Let's try and SPP it now. What if that takes any longer? So just go through. That's pin 3. What we've got there, pin 1. Pin. Trying to go through now. Oh, I've got something there. Is that pin 1? Pin 1. And pin 4. Let's see if there's anything else has to pick. It all seems very sloppy in there now. That's pin 2, and the last pin at the back I think is 5. There we go, and we've got the open. Oh, it took a bit longer to do than I thought, but yeah, I think that's pretty much all the basics covered, isn't it? Anyway, so there you go. It shows that if you've got a terrible bitting like this, you can do all sorts of things to a padlock. So yeah, a bit of a shame. I expected some spools or something in there, but sadly, nothing I could find. Alright, well, hopefully you enjoyed watching that. If you did, leave a like. If you've got a comment about this lock or anything else, please leave one below. I do read all the comments and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out, and I'll see you all next time.